What's up, ladies and gents? Today we're checking out my microphone and camera setup with the MotoRides Australia mic and giving that a test run. So I'm running the Simpson Bandit mod helmet. Mod meaning you can flip up the front like so. So with this I run the GoPro Hero 12 at the moment. I don't run like your normal little stick-on clamps. I run like a proper squeezy clamp. Reason being, I don't like the look of it on my helmet, and I can take this off and on during a ride and obviously when I'm not using it, so I've still got that clean look. So one thing I did notice with these clamps is I've had to actually cut that short. I noticed when I was turning my head with the helmet on, it was hitting like my collarbone. I couldn't turn my head completely, so just something to keep in mind if you do go that route. So they usually come with the fully enclosed latch. What you want is one of these so that you can access the wire port. It's usually where you put your battery and stuff in there. So this is the GoPro attachment that wires up in there, and then you plug your mic in via the auxiliary cord in there. So I usually attach all that on again via tape, or we've got the Velcro on the back as well. On my old helmets I used to run the Velcro, but I still do run the Velcro inside. This does come with a little Velcro and sticky little patch on the other end of it. All your little Velcro spots in there where I move my mic around to see what sounds better. So I'll set this up on my helmet so that you guys can have a better look at it. So literally just a little bit of tape, and that's a setup. GoPro obviously clamped on there. All the rest of it all just taped onto the side and up into the inside of the helmet. All right guys, let's jump aboard and hopefully this thing sounds all right. Alright guys, so I've got my full face helmet on. Whilst we're sitting on 60, I'll open up my visor, just see how that sounds. First time testing this thing, so I really don't know if you guys can hear any of this, but I mean that's what it's all about, right? So picking up a bit of speed now, close the visor. Previous to this, I've always run wired mics. I tried wireless like twice. I couldn't hear myself talk. I could only hear like mostly the wind, or the bike really droned out my voice. This being a cheapie, I'm really unsure how it's going to go. The cable's super thin compared to what I'd had before. So before I had, I think it was like a gaming headset mic. That wired up mic worked pretty good. As it got old, I don't know what had happened, whether it got wet or something. It started just playing my voice out of one speaker. So one of my most popular videos, the long-term review on this bike, my time on the bike during that video was, my voice was only coming out of, I guess, one speaker. Really trying to open it up a bit without speeding too much though, just to really hear that sound, see whether this mic truly works. I've also got the microphone itself positioned slightly higher in my helmet, just to really get away from any excess wind coming up from the bottom. So I feel like this should be a pretty good indication whether or not this microphone can handle the noise with the top speeds. I hope when I'm watching this footage back and editing this video, I'm not disappointed. I am going to purchase the DJI wireless. You know, I can use that and will use that outside of riding, but if it works with riding as well, obviously I'll be cheering if I could just use that all around for everything. So stay tuned for that comparison. Righto, let's go home and see if this footage is even usable. Well, I've checked out the footage. I think this thing is a more than capable little mic, and for $15, I really think you cannot go wrong. So if you're in the market to get a cheap starter microphone or just want something nice and easy, this thing is more than capable. And yeah, that does it for the video, guys. Like, subscribe, share, and there'll be more coming soon.